Namaskar. Let's just start the next variation of the Bhastrika Pranayam. So, before I just show you Bhastrika Pranayam in Padmasana position. So now we can do in a two different position also. So if you like to sit in a normal comfortable position, the normal sitting position is Sukhasana, happy position like that. If knees are up, okay, does not matter. Just put the cushions like that way, your bolster under of your buttocks here. In this way, your knees can get touch on the ground, just like that. And then you can do Bhastrika Pranayam. So, hand is up. So, in this Sukhasana position, bring the hand up. Raise the hand, stretch your arms like that. Inhalation, exhalation. Exhale longer. Last exhalation always go longer than other exhalation. So after the last exhalation longer, few seconds, hand should go in front of the just shoulder, this label of the your finger joints, the bones here, and in front of your shoulder like that label, and stop the breath. Don't take the breath. Stop. Breathe out. Shunya, zero. No inhalation, no exhalation. Even your body, your lungs, your body will not demand the breath for a few seconds. After that, release the hand position. Make the heart gesture. Roll index finger. Press by thumb tip on the middle, tip on your ring finger like that way. Automatically you will take the slowly breath. Breath will go nose to this area. And slowly it will come in the throat region. Then it will come this area. Then after that lungs can start to take the proper way breath. What will be happen? What will be the benefit after this breathing exercise? This breathing exercise, this second variation of Bhastrika Pranayam, your lungs get stronger, breath respiratory system get stronger, will not suffer from the any kind of the like a suffocation, sweating or mucus forming. So you have a lungs get very cleaner. Your Anahat chakra, the heart spiritual point of view, your heart chakra get activated. When you feel from here something of activation, you have a very positive, very happiness thoughts will come. Mood get very change. Stress level, you are free from the stress. First of the important thing, we are getting free from the stress. This is a big problem of the world that can solve through by the Bhastrika Pranayam. Also in Bhastrika Pranayam, there is a seed mantra. So next variation when I will teach you, so I will explain you how to do this mantra, how to apply in Bhastrika Pranayam, this mantras, seed mantras of Bhastrika breathing exercise. So you will take the lots of benefit through by this pranayam. How long? So one round you did, at least 30 seconds, then you have to make the gap and make the heart gesture. Few seconds you silent, make the natural breath. Till natural breath, don't go for the next practice. Next round means in each day, 1 minute, 2 minute practice, maximum 3 minutes. Gapping, when you feel your breath is coming in a natural manner, then when you feel your breath and body is coming in a natural manner, then you will start the next round of Bhastrika Pranayam. This is the heart gesture. Make your heart working in a natural, because when you do very slow go, the heart rhythm go very slow. So slowly it will come in a natural manner. Your pulse rate go very slow counting. So slowly you are getting in a natural manner. Your breath, respiratory system, your body is coming. Then you can start the next round. So lots of benefit of the Bhastrika Pranayam also through by the seed mantra. So I'm going to end this next variation of Bhastrika Pranayama. Har Har Mahadev.